Hi, I'm Bethany Wilson. I'm here to talk about the effect of acute melatonin supplementation on endurance exercise performance. The effect of melatonin is really well documented for the sleep-waking cycle and the hormones involved in the sleep-waking cycle and in mood, but it's not well documented on the effects that it has on exercise, which makes sense because you wouldn't think that melatonin would have positive effects on exercise if it helps you sleep. But research is showing that melatonin has a positive, or it acts as a strong antioxidant, which decreases oxidative stress on exercising muscles, um, which can cause an attenuated fatigue effect. So I specifically wanted to look at the effect on the volume of oxygen consumed, heart rate, rate of perceived exertion, and the distance pedaled. Because if there is an attenuated fatigue effect caused by melatonin, then we would expect to see the heart rate decrease, the RPE decrease, and we would expect to see an improved performance seen as an increase in distance pedaled on the cycle ergometer. Um, it's also an interesting idea to look into for supplementation for patients who are at risk for cardiac events, who need a little bit more protection on their heart tissues. It might theoretically in the future, once more research is done, be a good alternative for people who are at risk for cardiac events to engage in more physical activity, increasing their cardiovascular health and ultimately leading to uh, a safe recovery and rehabilitation. But it's also helpful for anyone who wants to exercise to take away a negative effect of exercise, increasing the likelihood that they will maintain good physical activity levels in their daily life, increasing cardiovascular health all around in a public health outlook.